little bit of how to skate, you probably need to learn how to stop. So before we go over stopping, I just wanted to point out that your rollerblades and your ice skates actually have something called an inside edge and an outside edge. Okay, so your wheel, if you look at my wheels right now, you can actually see which edge I use more often. All right, I actually just had to rotate the wheels because I was wearing out one side so much more than the other. So I have to flip them around and eventually they'll get flat. Like this one is a little bit flatter. That's because I rotated it a little bit faster. All right, so there's an inside edge, which is closer to the inside of your body. That's the inside edge of the wheel. And there's the outside edge, which is closer to the outside of your body. All right, so you have an inside edge on each foot and an outside edge on each foot. You use those edges for lots of things. A lot of times for turning, you'll lean on the outside edge of one foot and the inside edge of another foot. All right, so it looks like that. You kind of lean on your turn. Okay, and you also use that a lot for stopping. If you were doing a snowplow stop on the ice, you would put the inside edge and the outside edge of your feet just like this, okay? The way we're gonna stop today is similar to what we call a pizza stop. Any of you who are skiers, you might have done this before. Beginners on ice, this is a really great way to learn how to stop. All right, and same thing on your rollerblades. A pizza stop, all right, you would actually be kind of pushing out, all right, and that triangle makes a slice of pizza, okay, and you're going to stop. So the way it would work, we'll do our little marches, little marches, little marches, okay, and then you're going to push out and lean on that inside edge. So you're pushing out the outside of your foot, but you're leaning on that inside edge. All right, so it looks like this. Let's do some strides. So stride, stride, push my feet out, and that brings me to a stop. Okay, one more time. We'll do our forward strides that we did. Remember, we put one foot forward, other foot pushes out like a duck. Extend, bend those knees, and then push those feet out, leaning on the inside edge of my foot, okay, but pushing the top part of my foot to the outside edge, okay? Now that we know how to do that stopping position, it's actually a really good leeway into our backward skate, okay? So once you're in that stopping position, what I want you to try to do with your knees bent is you're going to just take little steps, march backwards, little steps, all right? And that's going to bring you backwards. All right, one more time. Keep your knees bent. Okay, you're in that stop position. Now just take little steps backwards. All right, you can put your arms out for balance. Okay, and once again, if you feel like you're about to fall, bend your knees and make sure you do not lean backwards. We never want you falling backwards. We'd much rather have you falling forward. So if you're feeling like you're about to fall back, get on your knees and get balanced. All right, nice job. Hope you enjoyed.